Superfood for the brain and body, sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are root vegetables which are full of energy from earth and filled with nutrients such as starches, sugar, mineral, and vitamins. Sweet potatoes are considered the first one among superfoods by NASA, CSPI, and the Huffington Post. Let's find out why. Beta-carotene makes you healthy. Anti-cancer effect of a sweet potato is as good as all the world paid attention. Beta-carotene in sweet potatoes suppresses the acidification of the body and has the efficacy of reducing the cancer cells to normal cells. Furthermore, sweet potatoes have 10 micrograms of beta-carotene per 100 grams, so it not only prevents stomach and lung cancers but also has antioxidant effects. Efficacy of a sweet potato is not in this alone. Sweet potato is naturally rich in potassium, so it regulates blood pressure and stress. It also prevents the cumulative fatigue. Potassium of a sweet potato helps drain the sodium along with the urine to maintain blood pressure and reduces geriatric diseases by preventing the fat of cardiovascular. Rich carotenoids in sweet potato remove active oxygen and help in the prevention of disease of the nervous tissue of the brain. Sweet potatoes are also effective for weight loss. When you ingest foods, blood sugar level increases and insulin concentration in the blood also does. If that happens, hunger is on the rise and you will have gluttony and overeat. For example, potatoes have lower calories than sweet potatoes. However, the increase in blood glucose and insulin of potatoes after ingestion is higher than those of sweet potatoes. Therefore, sweet potatoes are effective in reducing body fat because of relatively lower secretion of insulin. In addition to this, sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A and E, so also helps in heart disease and night blindness. Sweet potatoes help the growth of children. Sweet potatoes are rich in dietary fiber, carbohydrates, potassium, vitamin A, C, E, minerals, and water. Sweet potatoes reduce the numbers of cholesterol and fat, also have the effect of discharging the environment hormone outside of the body. They have a large effect on the prevention of obesity and are a very good food to growing children and adolescents. Hanam is the most famous production center for sweet potatoes in Korea. The superiority of a Hanam sweet potato is officially registered as the 42nd protected geographical indication by the Ministry of Agriculture, Food and Rural Affairs. Let's find out what makes Hanam sweet potato different. Hanam sweet potatoes are grown by fertile soil, which is called hwangto. Clean air, clear and fresh water, and sweet sea breeze. Super is the superfood from Korea, Hanam sweet potatoes.